Good afternoon, my name is Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this exceptional 1972 Ford F100 short bed. This is the real deal. It's a real short bed that came with and is currently equipped with a 360 V8, power steering, has air conditioning that works. The air conditioning has been updated to the new refrigerant, has new tires. This is a respray paint of the original paint. This is really an exceptional truck. Two-wheel drive, new interior, new carpet, working air conditioning, original radio, power steering, automatic transmission. Thing drives out excellent. Bed has the liner in it, the spray-on type liner. It's a Ranger XLT. You see a lot of short beds out there that really began life as a long bed, but if you decode the VIN of this Ford, it'll show you it's originally built as it's a short bed with a 360 and a two-wheel drive. So this is exactly the vehicle you want if you want to enjoy just around town bopping around. This thing is clean as a pin. It's not perfect, it's not over the top, but it's very good. Looks like a newer motor, or at least rebuilt, painted valve covers, new hoses, looks like a new carburetor on there. Looks like new heater hoses, updated air conditioning, the rotary compressor. Very clean, the original jack. All this is really nice condition. Underneath is also just as nice. I have plenty of photos online. The wheels have been recently powder coated. Has seat belts. The headliner's good. Super comfortable truck. So we'll go for a quick drive. Shows 64,000 on the odometer. I have making no statements on whether that's true or not. It could be, but I can't prove it. One of the things I notice when I put it like in gear, there's no drivetrain clunk, which indicates wear. This thing thumps like when you get a car new. The turn signals work. What a comfortable truck. Air conditioning works. It's kind of cool today, so I'm not doing it. It has the visors, they're all there. Gauge is supposed to all work, we'll find out. Has good power. Has shift kit, very positive shifts. So it's a 3-speed, power steering, goes down the road nice and straight, new tires, always are a big help. Super comfortable. You know, it's a 1972 truck. These are the days when the trucks were beginning to emulate cars. And this is like, you know, this is a gentleman's truck is what I would call it. So speedometer works, fuel gauge works. So the temperature should be coming up. The mirrors even work. Okay, I'm just kidding. We're going to turn around, do a U-turn down here. See how it stops. Stops nice and straight. So we'll do a U-turn here, scare this Prius guy. Driving too fast. Really nice driving, good performance. Yeah, positive shifts also. Very nice. The suspension is very nice. I'd imagine it's been rebuilt, and I imagine it has newer shocks. This is very, very compliant. I believe these have the I-beam front suspension of this era, which is a very durable, well-known. Yeah, this is a runner. This thing really, really comfortable. Great truck. So the temperature gauge is starting to creep up. So turn signal's on. What a nice truck, holy smokes. So there you go. Let me know if you have any questions. Let's review 1972 Ford F100, clean California title. It's exempt from smog certification. Everything on this thing works. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks very much.